Hey guys, I'm Nidhi. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing video of a diamond painting I ordered from Diamond Painting Pro. So let's get started. Here is a thank you card with the instructions on how to diamond paint. Let's open it. Oops. They have provided two multi-placers with a pen. Here is the tweezer. It is 60 cross 60 square with the square grids. See, the symbols are pretty clear. Let's see the drills now. They came in a Ziploc bag. 158, 164, 209, 304, 310 our first AB, 315, 351, 371, AB 550, 554, 647, AB 666, 702, 741, 742, 743, 782, 792, 796, AB 819, AB 823, 844, 898, 907, 934, 938, 947, 959, 964, 975, 977, 3348, 3607, 3750, 3765, 3801, 3803, 3816, 3837, 3771, 3843, 3844, 3845, 3846, 3855. Now let's check out the AB drill.